Hello, I'm currently working on an edging for this handkerchief here, and this is the one shuttle edging for which I've made a video. There is a link in the top right hand corner of this video if you want to see how to make this edging. And I ended up making a mistake. Well, actually I split my thread, which meant I had to cut my thread quite short, because I have also another video that explains how to rejoin thread when you're working with one shuttle only, but this requires you to have a longer end left so you can make the next stitch. But here I'm stuck with quite a short end to work with, so I thought it would be a good opportunity to make a new video and show you what to do when you're stuck with a tiny end like this and how to rejoin to it. So here's my shuttle, and what we're going to do is make a slip knot. To make a slip knot, I'm folding my thread, then twisting it, and then grabbing the long end through it. And I'm going to make the knot not too tight, so just so it's closed up, make it smaller even. Like this. Sorry, this is terrible color to work against my hands, but that's the color of the I was using for my edging. Not the best for demonstration, but so then I'm going to pass the little cut end through the slip knot and tighten. You want to make sure it's really near to the tatting, the last bit of tatting you've done, and then you keep pulling on the slip knot until it pops like this. I don't know if you heard it, little pop sound, and that means this has pulled the tiny short end through, and now it's really tight and secure. And now we can start tatting our next ring, and we are going to hide. I'm going to cut them both short, similar length. And now we can hide the two ends in our next few stitches. I'm pulling on them to make sure they're snug. So that's one stitch, 2, 3, and 4. That's the second half. And now I'm going to join to the previous ring and continue for a couple more stitches to hide my ends. So you can do this with quite a short end, really, as long as you have enough to loop your slip knot around it so it grabs hold of it. You know, it could be quite short, a few millimeters even, and you should be able to secure it enough. 1, 2, and now I'm going to give them one last tug to my little ends and cut them really close to the work. And I'm going to finish the ring. So this one has 8 picots. 2, 7, 8, and 4 more stitches to complete the ring. So I'm just going quickly just to finish it so I can show you the result. And close the ring. And there you have it. I'm going to try to show it against the white. So I've rejoined, it's here, it's a tiny bit thicker where I've hidden the two ends in it, but it's quite a smooth repair, as you can see. So I've rejoined my new thread, even with a tiny bit of thread I had left to join to. That works really well. So that's it. I hope you find this technique useful. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.